Once, an elderly doctor shared with me a fascinating remedy. Mixing powdered pomegranate peel with honey in a specific way could help resolve even long-standing health issues. At first, it sounded a bit strange to me, but after talking with him more, he shared all the details. I wrote everything down in my notebook, and when the time was right, I did my research and consulted with colleagues in the field. What I discovered was truly remarkable. That's when the idea for this video came to me. So, my friend, I know you're over 50 or maybe even 60 like me, and you're looking for natural ways to improve your health while avoiding medication as much as possible. Here I am sharing this powerful health secret with you. Give this video a like and let's dive in. Why pomegranate peel and why honey? Before we dive into the incredible benefits, let's take a closer look at why pomegranate peel and honey make such a powerful combination. Why pomegranate peel? Most people toss pomegranate peels away, not realizing that they're packed with antioxidants, fiber, and essential nutrients. In fact, the peel contains even more antioxidants than the juicy seeds themselves. These antioxidants, like polyphenols and flavonoids, work to combat free radicals, reduce inflammation, and support healthy digestion. Pomegranate peel is also rich in vitamins and minerals that help boost immune function and improve skin health, giving you benefits from the inside out. And why honey? Honey has been cherished for centuries as a natural healer. Beyond its deliciously sweet taste, honey is loaded with antioxidants and natural enzymes that support the body in various ways. Its antibacterial properties help fight infections, while its soothing effects promote healthy digestion and provide relief from cough and sore throat. Plus, honey acts as a natural preservative for the pomegranate peel powder, making it the perfect partner to amplify and preserve the blend's powerful benefits. Together, these two ingredients create a blend that's packed with health-supporting properties. Whether you're looking to enhance your immune system, improve digestion, or even give your skin a natural glow, pomegranate peel and honey have you covered. Boosting immune system strength. In a world where staying healthy has become a top priority, have you ever wondered if there's a natural way to strengthen your defenses? The combination of pomegranate peel and honey might just be the solution you're looking for. Rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, pomegranate peel supports your immune system by fighting oxidative stress, which weakens immunity over time. Honey, with its natural antimicrobial properties, enhances this effect, helping to fight off bacteria and viruses. For a simple immunity boost, mix half a teaspoon of pomegranate peel powder with a teaspoon of honey in a glass of warm water. Try this mixture every morning and let your immune system benefit from nature's power. Enhancing digestive health. Imagine starting your day free from bloating or the discomfort of indigestion. This blend of pomegranate peel and honey acts as a natural remedy for digestive health. Pomegranate peel is loaded with fiber, which aids bowel movement and promotes a balanced gut microbiome, while honey provides enzymes that ease digestion and soothe the stomach lining. To add this routine to your mornings, try a warm tea by boiling a teaspoon of dried pomegranate peel powder in a cup of water for 10 minutes. After straining, add a spoonful of honey and enjoy this warm drink before breakfast to support a smooth digestive process throughout the day. Reducing bad cholesterol levels. For many, managing cholesterol levels is an important part of maintaining a healthy heart. But did you know that pomegranate peel and honey together can be a natural aid in this area? Pomegranate peel's polyphenols help lower LDL, the bad cholesterol, while increasing HDL, the good cholesterol. Meanwhile, honey promotes a balanced lipid profile and has anti-inflammatory properties that support heart health. To incorporate this into your day, mix a teaspoon of pomegranate peel powder with honey in a glass of warm water and drink it at night before bed. This routine could become your heart-healthy habit that works gently yet powerfully over time. Combating inflammation. Naturally, chronic inflammation is a root cause of many health problems, including arthritis and other age-related conditions. Have you considered a natural way to reduce inflammation? Pomegranate peel and honey combine anti-inflammatory compounds like flavonoids and tannins, which help ease inflammation in the body. The honey further boosts this effect, soothing inflamed areas with its natural enzymes and antioxidants. For a simple yet effective solution, mix a teaspoon of pomegranate peel powder with a teaspoon of honey and add it to your herbal tea. Drinking this once or twice daily can be a natural way to manage inflammation without synthetic additives. Supporting skin health and radiance. If radiant skin is one of your wellness goals, look no further than this natural blend. Pomegranate peel is packed with antioxidants and vitamin C, which promote collagen production, leading to firmer, more elastic skin. Honey works as a natural moisturizer, locking in hydration and soothing the skin. To give this a try, mix a tablespoon of pomegranate peel powder with enough honey to create a smooth paste. Apply it as a face mask, letting it sit for 15–20 minutes before rinsing with warm water. Using this mask once a week can add a fresh glow to your complexion and keep your skin feeling soft and revitalized. Regulating blood sugar levels. Stabilizing blood sugar levels can be challenging, particularly for those managing diabetes or insulin resistance. This blend of pomegranate peel and honey offers a gentle, natural way to support blood sugar balance. Pomegranate peel is rich in polyphenols and antioxidants, which research suggests can improve insulin sensitivity. By enhancing the body's response to insulin, these compounds help regulate how glucose enters cells, resulting in more consistent blood sugar levels. Honey, when consumed in moderation, provides natural sugars that are released slowly, preventing sudden spikes in blood glucose and offering a steadier source of energy. Incorporating this blend into your morning routine is simple. Try mixing half a teaspoon of pomegranate peel powder with a teaspoon of honey in a glass of warm water. Drinking this mixture daily on an empty stomach can provide a supportive boost for blood sugar regulation, helping you feel more energetic and balanced throughout the day. For those managing blood sugar levels closely, this can be an easy addition to a holistic approach to wellness. Supporting liver health. Your liver is the powerhouse of detoxification, constantly working to filter out toxins and waste products from your bloodstream. This essential organ deserves some support, and the combination of pomegranate peel and honey offers natural protection. Pomegranate peel is filled with antioxidants such as ellagic acid that combat oxidative stress, a significant contributor to liver inflammation and damage. These antioxidants neutralize free radicals, which can otherwise accumulate in the liver, leading to cellular damage. Honey, known for its hepatoprotective properties, aids in repairing and regenerating liver tissues, providing additional support for this crucial organ. For a gentle daily liver cleanse, prepare a tea by boiling a teaspoon of dried pomegranate peel powder in a cup of water for about 10 minutes. After straining, add a teaspoon of honey and drink this soothing tea once daily, preferably in the evening. Regular use of this tea can aid in liver detoxification, help reduce inflammation, and support optimal liver function, especially beneficial for those exposed to environmental toxins or high levels of stress. Combating bacterial and viral infections. Our daily environments expose us to a wide array of pathogens, making it important to have strong natural defenses. The pomegranate peel and honey combination works as a powerful antimicrobial blend, offering protection against bacteria and viruses. Pomegranate peel contains tannins and flavonoids, compounds that disrupt microbial activity by damaging cell walls, making it harder for bacteria and viruses to multiply. Honey complements this effect with natural hydrogen peroxide and other enzymes that create an inhospitable environment for pathogens, reducing the risk of infection. To leverage these protective properties, mix a teaspoon of pomegranate peel powder with a teaspoon of honey and consume it directly or dissolve it in a glass of warm water. Taken once daily, this mixture can bolster your immune defenses providing a simple yet effective way to help your body fend off common colds, bacterial infections, and other illnesses. In a world filled with health challenges, this natural remedy acts as a barrier, enhancing your body's resilience to infections. Soothing sore throat and cough symptoms. When the cold season hits, sore throats and coughs are all too common. Instead of reaching for synthetic cough syrups, consider this natural remedy. The blend of pomegranate peel and honey offers immediate relief by soothing irritated throats. Pomegranate peel contains anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compounds that help reduce irritation and swelling in the throat, easing discomfort. Honey coats the throat, providing a protective layer that reduces the urge to cough while offering antimicrobial properties to address underlying infections. For a comforting remedy, boil a teaspoon of dried pomegranate peel powder in a cup of water for 5 to 10 minutes. After straining, add a teaspoon of honey and stir well. Sipping this warm infusion throughout the day can ease throat pain, suppress coughs, and provide much-needed relief for your respiratory system. This simple, soothing drink is a natural and effective way to manage throat discomfort and seasonal ailments, enhancing bone health. Strong bones are essential for an active lifestyle, especially as we age, and the combination of pomegranate peel and honey is a natural way to support bone density and strength. Pomegranate peel is a source of essential minerals such as calcium and phosphorus, which are key players in maintaining bone density and preventing conditions like osteoporosis. Additionally, the anti-inflammatory properties of pomegranate peel help mitigate bone degradation associated with chronic inflammation, which is particularly important as we get older. Honey enhances the benefits of pomegranate peel by promoting better mineral absorption, ensuring that calcium and phosphorus are effectively utilized to strengthen bones. To incorporate this into your daily routine, simply mix a teaspoon of pomegranate peel powder with honey and add it to your morning yogurt, smoothie, or oatmeal. Regular use of this blend can contribute to stronger bones, support joint health, and reduce the risk of fractures, keeping you active and resilient as you age. This natural supplement is a simple, delicious way to promote lifelong bone health and maintain vitality. Boosting memory and cognitive function. As we age, keeping our minds sharp becomes increasingly important. This blend of pomegranate peel and honey offers nutrients that support brain health and cognitive function. Pomegranate peel is packed with antioxidants like flavonoids and polyphenols, which protect brain cells from oxidative stress, a major factor in age-related cognitive decline. Additionally, these antioxidants improve blood circulation to the brain, enhancing memory, focus, and overall mental clarity. Honey provides natural sugars that offer a quick, stable source of energy, helping to keep you alert without causing a blood sugar crash. For a brain-boosting routine, mix a teaspoon of pomegranate peel powder with honey and add it to your morning oatmeal, toast, or even a warm glass of milk. Regular consumption of this blend may help improve mental sharpness, support memory retention, and provide a natural way to maintain cognitive function as you age. Preventing urinary tract infections, UTIs. Urinary tract infections are not only uncomfortable, but can also lead to serious complications if untreated. The pomegranate peel and honey blend contain antimicrobial properties that help protect against bacteria commonly responsible for UTIs. Pomegranate peel is rich in tannins and other compounds that inhibit bacterial growth, while honey adds a layer of antibacterial protection, reducing the risk of infections in the urinary tract. To incorporate this into your wellness routine, mix a teaspoon of pomegranate peel powder with a teaspoon of honey and consume it directly or dissolve it in warm water. Drinking this daily, particularly in the morning, may help maintain urinary tract health by preventing bacterial buildup and promoting a natural defense against infections. This blend serves as a proactive, gentle approach to urinary health, which is especially beneficial for those prone to recurrent UTIs. Improving sleep quality. If you struggle to unwind at the end of the day, this blend of pomegranate peel and honey can promote relaxation and support better sleep. Pomegranate peel is loaded with antioxidants that reduce stress and anxiety levels, creating a more relaxed environment conducive to restful sleep. Honey has a slight effect on insulin levels, which in turn facilitates the release of serotonin, a neurotransmitter that helps in producing melatonin, the hormone responsible for regulating sleep patterns. For a calming bedtime drink, add a teaspoon of pomegranate peel powder and a teaspoon of honey to a warm cup of herbal tea or milk. Consuming this mixture about an hour before bed can help you relax, reduce nighttime anxiety, and promote deeper, more restorative sleep. This simple ritual can improve sleep quality and help you wake up feeling more refreshed. Delaying signs of aging is a natural process, but we can slow down visible signs with the right care. Pomegranate peel is rich in antioxidants that protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals, which are known to accelerate wrinkles and fine lines. Combined with honey, a natural humectant that retains moisture, this blend helps to enhance skin elasticity and texture, leaving your complexion looking youthful and radiant. To create a rejuvenating face mask, mix a tablespoon of pomegranate peel powder with enough honey to form a smooth paste. Apply the mask to your face, avoiding the area around your eyes, and leave it on for 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water, and repeat this routine once or twice a week. This treatment not only helps combat visible aging signs, but also nourishes and hydrates the skin, making it smoother and more resilient. Strengthening hair. Healthy, vibrant hair often requires both nourishment and protection from environmental stressors. The pomegranate peel and honey blend is rich in antioxidants and essential nutrients that support hair health from root to tip. Pomegranate peel helps improve scalp circulation, promoting stronger hair follicles, while honey moisturizes the scalp and fights against dryness and dandruff, common causes of hair weakness and shedding. To make a natural hair mask, mix pomegranate peel powder with honey and a bit of coconut oil to create a paste. Apply this mixture to your scalp and hair, covering all strands, and leave it on for 30 minutes before rinsing thoroughly with lukewarm water. Using this mask once a week can strengthen hair, reduce breakage, and add natural shine, supporting healthier, more resilient hair over time. All right? Before we all dash to the kitchen to try this magical blend of pomegranate peel and honey, let's take a moment to ask, is this mix right for everyone? Well, as with any powerful remedy, there are a few people who might need to proceed with caution, or even avoid it altogether. First up, if you're someone with a honey allergy, yes, honey allergies do exist, and no, they aren't secretly enemies of bees, it's best to skip this blend entirely. Honey allergies can lead to unpleasant reactions, so better safe than sorry. For those managing diabetes, a bit of caution goes a long way. While honey contains natural sugars, too much can cause blood sugar spikes. So a small spoonful once in a while might be fine, but let's not make it a daily dessert. For anyone with a sensitive stomach or certain digestive conditions, this blend might be a bit too rich in fiber, especially with pomegranate peel. If that's you, consider starting with a small amount to see how your stomach feels. If you know anyone who'd benefit from this info, don't forget to share it with them on WhatsApp. Who knows, you might just save someone's day.